If you're looking for a simple, economical, and quality lift system for your Jeep JT Gladiator, Readylift's 2.5-inch SST lift kit is the perfect choice. The 2.5-inch SST lift kit retains the factory ride and handling, offering a great mild lift solution for the 2020 and 2021 JT Gladiator. Like Readylift's extremely popular Jeep JL SST lift kits, this lift kit features front and rear laser-cut 1/4-inch tube coil spring spacers, providing 2.5 inches of lift in the front and 2 inches of lift in the rear. So whether you are overlanding or using your Jeep as a daily driver, this lift kit is a great solution for your JT Gladiator. Your Jeep will still perform as intended while having that stylish off-road look. This kit also works perfectly on Rubicon and non-Rubicon models and has even been tested in harsh off-road and rock crawling environments of the famous Rubicon Trail. The bolt-on installation requires no cutting or drilling and no vehicle modification. Once you've installed your larger diameter wheels and tires, you can expect a total of 3.5 to 4 inches of lift after install. The most common aftermarket tire and wheel combination installed with this kit is 35 by 12.5 inch tires on a 9 or 10 inch wide wheel with 0 offset. Readylift offers a 1-year hassle-free warranty on the SST lift kit. If you are interested in purchasing Readylift's 2.5-inch SST lift kit or having one installed, check out the dealer locator below. And as always, leave us a like or a comment. And thanks for watching In the Garage. We'll see you next time.